The dawn of a new day in the South Asian rainforest unfolds with an enchanting serenity, where nature thrives in its most pristine form. As the sun begins to rise, delicate fog blankets the landscape, creating an ethereal atmosphere that enhances the beauty of this biodiverse environment. The air is thick with moisture, infusing the surroundings with a refreshing coolness that invigorates both the body and spirit. The breathtaking beauty of the South Asian rainforest serves as a reminder of nature's resilience and splendor. In this vibrant habitat, various species coexist, engaging in a delicate balance that sustains their lively interactions. The fog that envelops the trees acts as a protective veil, nourishing both flora and fauna as they awaken to the day ahead. Amidst the verdant foliage, the symphony of wildlife comes alive. The melodious chorus of birds fills the air, each species contributing its unique song to the rainforest's harmonious ensemble. From the vibrant calls of the macaw to the soft coos of doves, these sounds resonate throughout the thick canopy, creating a rich auditory tapestry that underscores the vitality of this ecosystem. The rustling of leaves hints at the presence of unseen creatures, adding an element of mystery to the morning's tranquility. As dawn breaks and the first rays of sunlight filter through the dense foliage of the forest, a serene yet vibrant tableau unfolds in the natural world. For the inhabitants of this verdant landscape, namely the avian and cervid communities, morning signifies not just the dawning of a new day, but a critical time to engage in their daily quest for sustenance. The rhythmic sounds of chirping birds intermingle with the rustle of deer cautiously navigating the underbrush, together forming an intricate symphony of life. This essay seeks to explore the dualistic nature of their morning ritual, a quest for food that is both essential and perilous, as the specter of human hunters looms in the background. First and foremost, the pursuit of nourishment is an intrinsic behavior that transcends species and ecosystems. For birds, the dawn chorus is not merely an expression of their joy in morning's arrival. It serves a vital purpose. Each chirp and trill carries meaning, often related to assertive territorial displays, or the alluring call to potential mates. However, perched high in the trees or gliding through the air, these birds are also acutely aware of their surroundings. The necessity to find food, be it seeds, fruits, or insects, instills a sense of urgency and drives their movements as they flit from branch to branch. This quest is a delicate balance of speed and caution, as every moment spent foraging puts them at potential risk from predators. Birds are diverse in their diets, ranging from seeds and berries to insects and small mammals. Each species exhibits unique foraging techniques tailored to their preferred food sources. For instance, smaller finches utilize their nimble beaks to extract seeds from the husks of wild grasses, while woodpeckers rhythmically tap on tree trunks, probing for insects hidden beneath the bark. This seemingly simple quest for food encapsulates not just a need for survival, but also an innate drive to engage with the ecological tapestry of their habitat. Importantly, the dynamics of foraging take place in a complex web of interdependence, where each bird species must be acutely aware of both their surroundings and the presence of potential hazards. Chief among these dangers is the looming threat posed by predators, natural hunters that seek to exploit the vulnerabilities of their avian prey. Birds have developed an array of adaptive strategies to mitigate these risks. For instance, many species exhibit flocking behavior, where groups form tight-knit ensembles that provide both safety in numbers and enhanced vigilance against impending threats. The presence of multiple pairs of eyes allows them to detect predators swiftly. Facilitating early warning signals that can prevent catastrophic encounters. Furthermore, the time of day plays a pronounced role in the behavior of both birds and their hunters. The early morning hours are often prime foraging times due to the increased visibility afforded by the rising sun and the relative stillness that reigns over the natural world before the bustling activities of humans and larger predators commence. However, this period also marks the heightened activity for many predatory species. Birds must therefore balance the urgency of fulfilling their nutritional needs with the prudent awareness of their surroundings. Evolutionary adaptations among birds have equipped them to meet this challenge. Camouflage is a crucial survival mechanism. Many species possess plumage that allows them to blend seamlessly into their environments. This natural disguise becomes vital as birds scavenge for food in a habitat replete with potential predators. Moreover, behavioral adaptations, such as abrupt movements, silent flight, and erratic patterns of travel during foraging expeditions further augment their ability to avoid predation. The morning hours present a captivating tableau of avian foraging, where birds pursue the essential goal of acquiring nourishment, while exhibiting a formidable awareness of the myriad threats inherent in their environment. The delicate balance between the urgency of sustenance and the need for vigilance encapsulates the essence of life's struggles, a narrative that resonates through time and space. In this ongoing saga of survival, humans must reflect on their role as both observers and participants, recognizing the responsibility they hold in preserving the delicate ecosystems that support the dawn chorus of the rainforest. Is a remarkable phenomenon, marked by the intricate and haunting calls of gibbons. As the first light breaks through the dense canopy, these primates announce their presence with a symphony of vocalizations that resonate through the humid air. The sounds of gibbons are not merely a means of communication, but a powerful element of the rainforest's ecological tapestry. In the lush expanse of the rainforest, a vibrant display of life unfolds, with its diverse array of flora and fauna contributing to the intricate tapestry of this ecosystem. Among its most enchanting inhabitants is the monkey, a creature renowned for its intelligence and playful demeanor. The image of a monkey dancing freely on the branches of a towering tree encapsulates the essence of joy and vitality that reigns within this verdant habitat. The sight of a monkey dancing joyfully on a tree in the rainforest epitomizes the beauty and complexity of nature. It invites us to reflect on our relationship with the environment and emphasizes the necessity of conservation efforts. The monkey's happiness is a vital thread in the ecological fabric of the rainforest, urging us to protect these splendid ecosystems for generations to come. The struggle for leadership among monkeys is a multifaceted phenomenon that highlights the intricate social structures of these primates through their contests for dominance. Monkeys not only establish hierarchies, but also navigate the complexities of social interaction. Ultimately influencing the well-being of their communities. Understanding these dynamics provides valuable insights into the evolutionary significance of leadership and social organization in the animal kingdom. Moreover, primates play a critical role in the health of their ecosystem. As frugivores, many primate species are essential for seed dispersal, aiding in the propagation of numerous plant species. This symbiotic relationship is vital for maintaining the rainforest's biodiversity and resilience. By promoting plant growth and contributing to forest regeneration, primates embody the interconnectedness of life in the rainforest, underscoring their beauty not merely in form, but in function. The tranquility of the rainforest is a double-edged sword. While it provides a sanctuary for countless organisms, it also serves as a backdrop for the relentless struggle for survival. The lush undergrowth, teeming with life, is a habitat where animals must be acutely aware of their surroundings. The quiet is deceptive. It can quickly transform into a cacophony of life and death as predators and prey engage in their timeless dance. Animals such as tiger, coot leopard, and various species of birds of prey prowl through the underbrush. Their senses honed by the demands of their environment. For these hunters, the stillness of the rainforest offers the perfect cover to ambush unsuspecting prey. As the sun begins to set over the lush expanse of the rainforest, a serene ambiance envelops the environment. Within this vibrant ecosystem, a group of Siberian musk deer emerges, seeking sustenance in the verdant undergrowth. These creatures, often characterized by their delicate frames and exquisite fur, exhibit a tranquil beauty that paradoxically exists within an arena of potential danger. While the evening provides a bounteous opportunity for nourishment, it also serves as a stark reminder of the precarious existence these deer lead. Continually balancing their pursuit of sustenance with the omnipresent threat of hunters, Siberian musk deer, known for their ability to adapt to various habitats, find themselves particularly at home in the rich landscapes of the rainforest. Their preference for grass, flowers, and shrubs paints a picture of their diet, which not only sustains them, but also plays a critical role in the broader ecosystem. Grazing on the abundant foliage, these deer contribute to the fertilization of the soil, ensuring the vitality of the plant life surrounding them. This interaction highlights the interconnectedness of living organisms within the rainforest, illustrating how the actions of one species can significantly impact the overall health of the environment. However, the evening's twilight also brings with it an air of caution. The presence of hunters, whether driven by a need for sustenance or guided by the economic incentives of the illegal wildlife trade, poses a significant threat to the survival of the Siberian musk deer. These hunters, undeterred by the beauty of the forest, or the innocence of their prey, seek to exploit the deer for their highly valued musk, leading to a harrowing consequence for the population of these gentle creatures. In this delicate balance between life and death, the musk deer must be ever vigilant, aware that their quest for food could turn perilous at any moment. The contrast between the deer's simple quest for food and the complex web of threats they encounter underscores a broader theme. The struggle for survival in a world often governed by predation and exploitation. The pursuit of happiness for the Siberian musk deer, expressed through their foraging in the rainforest, is tragically intertwined with the reality of human intervention and greed. As they graze on the delicious grass, one can only hope that greater awareness and protective measures will come to bear, ensuring that these remarkable animals do not become mere memories of the past. My Forest Wildlife Channel is a reflection of our shared commitment to understanding and protecting the natural environment. Together, we can inspire a new generation to cherish and safeguard the remarkable creatures and habitats that enrich our planet. Thank you for watching. and for being a part of this important mission.